Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Edwin in Virginia on his Connex cx-36hpf. Edwin, I like these radios because not only do you still have a talkback, but you also have a Roger beat for you guys that like Roger beats, frequency counter, nice echo. We did the voltage regulator upgrade to yours as well as our tune alignment, so let's get right to it. 5-watt scale. Half a watt all the way down. You said you needed to turn down at least 1 watt, so there's a half a watt. 5 watts all the way up. 100 watt slug average power. Low 22 bird. Peak power. Low 55 peak. Alright, Edwin, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.